I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Let's check po kung ano ang update sa inyong romantic life. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, no? This is also a this is also a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Truth be told, imagine, and coming to the edge. I feel like merong taong medyo nagpapakipot. Whether this is you, whether this is your person, you can switch the energies naman. What I am reading is the dynamic. So, merong nararamdaman. Hindi lang open for to expose what they feel, no? So parang tinago. Pero it seems like meron na ditong mutual understanding, no? Parang pag nagkakatitigan kayo, alam nyo na yung gustong sabihin, nagkakangutian kayo, nagkakaroon kayo na kumbaga pag nagkangitian, parang alam nyo na, no, nag-uusap na kayo doon. There is sweet moments of you and this person. Wala pa lang yatang umaamin about doon sa kanilang totoong nararamdaman. Pero parang feeling ko, eto na yung time. Kasi someone is kind of like faking something. I'm not quite sure kung meron itong karelasyon kasi wala pa naman yung mga cards. Kasi someone is kind of like faking something na no, I'm not into you, pero people knows and people are kind of getting also the vibe. Both of you, no, your vibe with each other. Parang natutukso na kayo. Chances are baka sa either classroom or sa trabaho ito nangyayari. Kung meron na kasing mga sweet nothings, no? May nagbibigay na ng ganito, meron na somewhat good night, no? Kumain ka na or kumain ka na ba? The full card, parang feeling ko bago pa lang ito or kasi may magko-confess so bagong kabubukas pa lang, no, na relationship. I feel like someone is going to also jump on the jump on the edge of this parang doubts and gonna be brave, no, para sabihin. I'm not sure kung meron ditong kasalong spirits or alak, no? Not yet. But with the Three of Swords and the King of Wands, so chances are meron din pasok dito yung LGBTQIA+ relationship. So I feel like the bago in here is bagong breakup, no? So someone was heartbroken, asked a comfort from someone, and someone is very open because I feel also something, I'm very attracted, no, to this person as well. So sabihin natin yes. Probably someone took advantage of the scenario. Um, but also I want to help since that person is very important to me. No? I value the person and nasasaktan ako kapag nakikita kong malungkot siya. So what I did is to actually comfort the person. With the Four of Wands and the Magician. Pero at the back of my mind, kung ako yung taong nagka-comfort dito sa taong to, at the back of my mind, parang iniisip kong sa akin ka na lang, no? Sana tayo dala, hindi pa nagkaganyan, no? Aalagaan kitang mabuti. Eh, parang ito yung kantang, kung ako na lang sana, no? Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Hindi kasi pwedeng kumanta dito. At kahit marunong kumanta, maano tayo eh. Copyright. Ayan. Buti na lang, double-edged, no? Hindi pwedeng kumanta at hindi rin ako marunong kumanta. Pero pakinggan nyo, parang ganun yung drama. Okay, parang bakit ngayon ka lang, no? With the Star, the Ten of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, meron dito na taong sobra, parang noon pala. Sabihin natin abangers. Wala namang masama doon. No? Parang nag-aantay ako if in case na mag-fail ang relationship, I'm here. No? Parang ganun ko kamahal yung tao. There are also times na nasasaktan ako while seeing the person is in the relationship, but here I am, willing to wait. With the Ten of Swords, the Six of Swords, and the Knight of Wands, parang sinabi mo dito, higit pa dyan, no, yung kaya kong ibigay. Higit pa dyan yung kaya kong gawin. So I feel like sana, no, magamit nga itong opportunity na ito para at least hindi na siya malungkot, tapos ikaw masaya. Win-win. Happy-happy. Sana ganon. Pero hindi pa tapos ang reading. So let's check. With the Knight of Cups, so magdadahan-dahan tayo dito. The Six of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So parang nagiging fluctuating ang energy. Minsan sobra, no? Minsan nakakapagselos. Tapos bigla mo may isip, ano bang karapatan ko magselos? Hindi naman kami. Meron naman minsan banayad, no? Yung takbo ng flow ng energies. Pero I feel like there's already a mutual understanding between you and this person. Meron na. Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi pa lang ito nabubunyag, hindi pa ito nasasabi, hindi pa ito na-expose, pero meron na. No? With the Temperance, the Ace of Cups, and the High Priestess. Siguro meron din ditong nagsasabi na, uy, baka kakabreak mo lang. Hindi ba pangit tignan na you're jumping off into another relationship right off the bat, tapos yung ako naman, baka magkaroon ng matag as balande, no? Or I'm taking the opportunity or taking advantage of the opportunity. Pero I feel like sobrang laki ng possibility nitong pagka-MU na ito na maging sila. Kasi meron ng will at saka naiisip na nila yung part na ano yung sasabihin ng tao, which is hindi naman dapat. Pero they're considering for the sake of morality, di ba? Kasi baka magbukang masama parehas, no? Baka wala naman talagang third party at hindi ka third party. Baka naman kasi ma-misinterpret, no? Wala kang ginagawa maging third party. But then again, kung ako to, yeah, I'll do the same. Thinking about what the other person, ang importante naman kasi dito nagkakaintindihan kayo. And I think that both of you are just gonna wait for the right time, you know, for that divine timing. Pero meron nang magko-confess. The Ten of Wands, the Emperor, and the Two of Pentacles. Kaso magkakaroon dito ng, kasi parang kaka-break lang. So, kung sino man ito nakipag-break or nagkaroon ng challenges doon sa relationship, I feel like mahihirapan to choose to move forward kahit meron ng will. Kasi syempre iisipin niya, am I willing to really let go of the past because I also invested on that, not just with time, not just with money, no, but also with time, energy, and efforts. The 10 of Wands clarified by the Page of Cups and the 7 of Cups. So para magiging palihim pa muna itong understanding na ito, somewhat, it felt like siguro may isip nyo rin no, na this isn't right. Kasi parang feeling natin, tinatago natin yung relationship, tinatago natin na parang meron tayong ginagawang masama. So, I think that both of you are going to just wait for the right time. Yun nga lang, mahihirapan yung isa at first to make a final decision. But then again, at the end of the day, I feel like kayo pa rin naman nitong bagong taong ito or nitong taong ito. No? So, kung nakaka-resonate kayo dito sa reading na ito, pwede po kayong magtanong. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. No? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, these can be their sun sign or placement in their chart. Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Taurus, Leo, Cancer, Sagittarius, Taurus, yeah, I mentioned, Virgo, Aquarius, Aries, Libra, Capricorn. Yan. So, this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love, light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod. Goodbye.